and reports. I record transactions, keep files updated, and check if the records are correct. I also try to keep everything organized.
Okay, that's clear. Do you do this in school or training?
Yes, mostly in school activities and campus work. We were trained to prepare simple reports and check our work.
That's good. What skills do you have?
I can use Excel, do journal entries, and check records. I also know how to organize data and review it before passing.
We use Excel a lot here. Do you use formulas?
Yes, basic formulas like totals and simple checks. I also try to keep the data clean and easy to read.
Good. How do you handle many tasks?
I list my tasks and do the important ones first. I manage my time and make sure I check my work before I finish.
That's helped during busy days. What do you do if you feel pressure?
I stay calm and focus on one task at a time. I also avoid rushing too much so I don't make errors.
Okay, thank you.
Miss Delacruz, why should we hire you?
I work hard and I'm willing to learn. I try to do my tasks well and on time, and I follow instructions.
That's good to hear. Can you work with a team?
Yes, I can. I can listen, share ideas when needed, and help my teammates finish up the task.
Good. What do you do when you make mistakes?
I fix and try to learn and learn from it. I also check my work again so I don't have any mistakes.
That's important. Do you have any questions?
Yes. Habit during month-end work.
It's get busy. We follow a schedule and check reports before passing them.
Do you work overtime during that time?
Sometimes if needed, finish tasks.
Okay. Thank you for explaining. That helps me understand my work better.
Okay, thank you, Miss Delacruz.
Miss Salcedo, why do you choose this job? I like working with numbers. I also like keeping records clear and correct and helping the team stay organized. Did you always want this job? Yes. Since I started studying accounting, I become more interested as I learn more. I see. How do you stay accurate when it's busy? I use a checklist and review my work before I submit it. I also take my time to check important details. Do you double check everything? Yes, especially reports that will be submitted. I make sure they are correct. That makes sense. What is your strength? I can adjust first and learn new things. I also stay focused on my work. Can you work under pressure? Yes, I can stay calm, finish my work on time. That helps me. Thank you.
That concludes our interviews.
Thank you for joining us. Have a great day!